This is Lucy, your virtual personal assistant. She handles email, calendar, social, expenses, calls, documents, 50 things you outsource, all running 24/7 on your hardware. She speaks Telegram, email, SMS, phone calls, voice notes, on whichever channel you are already on. Plugged into the tools you already pay for, she does not replace them. She runs them while you sleep. Every morning, your briefing arrives. Top news, whether calendar, urgent emails, in voice or text, already prioritized. Lucy talks to your other agents. Codec intake beacon, they hand work to each other automatically. One team, all yours. Lucy is not a chatbot. She is an employee. The first one that does not need sleep, lunch, or a salary. Lucy is just one, tailor-made by us for you. Give her any name, any voice, any role. 50 connections today, more added every week. Installed on your hardware, not rented from a server. Visit avadigital.ai to deploy yours.